And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. How is everybody? And yes, it's Friday, finally, right? Wow, one more week, and we are in April. Time's flying fast, right? Yes, today's Friday. How is everybody? And the title today is Adjusting the Contrarian, Fibonacci, Color of Joy. Hi, Mike, how are you? I'm great. How are you, Joy? How is everybody? It's Friday, right? Did you do the homeworks? I don't even remember what was the homework. What was the homework? Was in classes? Was in classes the homework? Was the daily chart? I remember it was the daily chart something, right? Talking about the daily chart. Suresh, are you here, Suresh? Captain Suresh, are you here? Say hello on YouTube, Captain Suresh, if you are here, Captain Suresh. Yeah, it's Friday, right? It was a great week. A lot of trading, a lot of NZD, USD. I don't think so. Suresh, all right. So look what we're going to do, Suresh. You are going to go on Google, okay, and you're going to type Darwin X0. All right. Joyce said, I'm doing great. Thanks for the lesson so far. Already watched them multiple times. Thank you very much. So, Suresh, you go to Darwin X0, okay, and you go to sign up, okay, you click on sign up, and now, if you want to receive the free manual, all right, if you want to receive the free manual, then you are going to have the track record code, all right? But if you want to trade with me, you know, then you are going to change this one. You are going to change to FX Boss 20, FX Boss 20, and you're going to apply, all right? Up in here, you are going to choose MetaTrader 4 or 5. This is new, I believe, you know. So most of us were choosing MetaTrader 4, all right? And if with the FX Boss 20 code, then instead of paying 95, you are going to pay 75. All right? It's one-time payment, and then you have 38 per month until you get funded, right? Once you get funded, then you can pay from the funds that you're making. Okay? So FX Boss 20 is going to give you 20 euros discount. If you go to record, you're going to have 30 euros discount. Okay? Now you put the code in here, you choose the MetaTrader 4, you need to click on this one, and then you need to put in here your email, your username, Captain Suresh, whatever, you know, the country when you are from, make sense? And then you go to continue to payment. All right? So if I go my fxboss@gmail.com, you know, username, the boss, whatever, you know, and then I go continue to payment. The field must, all right, so it's going to be together, continue to payment. Sorry, this username taken. Okay, the boss 007, James Bond, all right? It's already taken. Oh, this email. All right, so I need to find a new email. All right. Hotmail. Continue to payment. Give it a second. All right, so once you put the right credentials, now it's you put your first name, you put your last name, you put your address, postal code, country of residence, state, province if you have, you know, and then if you want to put pay by credit card, you put credit card. If you want to pay by PayPal, then you pay by PayPal. There is no right or wrong. And finally, you click on pay the sign-up fee. All right, Captain Suraj. And once this is done, you are going to receive an email from Darwin X0 to make a password. All right, you're going to receive two emails. One email is going to confirm the payment. Another email is going to tell you that you need to build a new password for you to access Darwin X0 and download the platform and so on and so on and so on. All right. And by the way, you have a recording of that on Dukascopy Academy now that we talked about this. All right, back to class, everybody. I believe it was euro dollar, right? Euro dollar yesterday. Did you do the homework, everybody? Captain Suraj says, okay, boss, understood, all right. And then starting from Monday, you're going to trade with me and the group, right? You're going to see what we're doing, how we're doing, what's the direction. You're going to meet the guys, all right? And if I'm not mistaken, we had the homework, right? If I'm not mistaken, no homework so far. Adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. All right, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair you want to check in an uptrend so we can move forward. The next Fibonacci mastery. So give me a second. We are currently having the how to hedge as a pro. And then we are going to have how to use the US dollar index and basket trade. So the new Fibonacci mastery, everybody, is going to be in May. All right. Adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. Joy, NZD is in a downtrend. NZD is in a downtrend, everybody. You need to go on the monthly, weekly, daily and find the market wave in an uptrend, all right? So one more time, everybody, try to find the currency pair that it's on the monthly, weekly, and daily. It's in an up market wave. Up market wave or uptrend, right? And the cat is down. And the cat is making lower lows, lower highs. Captain Suraj says, thank you, received all the details. Thanks for the info. You're welcome, my friend. Euro JPY maybe, all right. Euro JPY, very good, everybody. So open Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Euro JPY, give it a second, starting from the monthly bands. Everybody, how was this trading week so far? if you're a beginner trader, it's alright, but if you're an advanced trader, this week was full of opportunities. I mean, full. A lot. You could be making this week a lot of pips and money. Talking about the advanced traders, of course. Alright, everybody, Euro JPY, give me a second. It's Friday, Forex doesn't want to work. Alright. So we are here. And it's not a big deal, everybody. So we are trying to understand, is our C confirmed, right? We have our A, we have our B is up in here. And text, this is our C. And if we just spread the Contrarian Fibonacci and change colors, edit levels, Contrarian Fibo, there you go. And it already broke, see, it already broke the sub A. So anyway, this is not confirmed. Let's move on Euro JPY weekly chart. Let's refresh. And maybe. So again, the market broke the Contrarian, right? But this one is going to be, okay, let's see if this is the confirmed C, right? So as always, we are going to change colors. It's going to be blue, make the text smaller. That is going to be the sub A. And then we are going to clone and right click. We are going to, that's going to be the sub B. Right click, clone. That's going to be the edit label. That's going to be the sub A, sub B. That's going to be the sub C. And clone sub A, sub B, sub C. One more time. Clone. That's going to be our sub D. All right, sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. So the B high, it's our sub A. And the C so far equals to our sub B. We are going to spread the Contrarian Fibonacci. And sub C is up in here. I mean, the market broke our sub C. But as you can see, everybody, the market almost hit, I mean, the Contrarian Fibonacci, right? Talking about, is our C confirmed, yes or no? The market almost took out the capital A. So, Euro JPY weekly chart, this C is not confirmed. And lastly, Euro JPY daily chart. Euro JPY daily chart. Out this one, out this one, out this one, out this one, and out this one. All right, everybody, we talked about yesterday how to chart, right? You want to find out, is your C, capital C, confirmed, yes or no? Meaning, is it going to have a 50-50% chance of moving up in your direction, or is it going to be 80-20 or 50-50? Anyway, where should we start drawing our sub ABCDs? From the first circle, which is the B high, from the second circle, or from the third circle? What do you think? Boss, I don't know. I explained you yesterday that the starting point is the price action that is going to lead you to the C. All right? When you are by yourself trying to chart, the sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D, the starting point is where the price action is going to lead you to the C, capital C. So is the first circle going to lead you to the C? Is the second circle going to lead you to the C? Or is the third circle going to lead you to the C? Captain Suresh says third circle. Are you sure? Are you sure? You need to have, you know, the Contrarian Fibonacci applies the same rules as the original one. So the sub A is the first high, the starting point of a down sequence. Clone. The sub B is the first low as soon as possible after the sub A. Do you have a sub B? Suresh, do you have a sub B in the third circle? Then we have the sub C, right? And then lastly, give me a second, clone, one more, sub A, sub B, and clone, oops, not this one, but I need to edit label and D, right? Joyce is second, exactly, the second one, everybody. So we are going to zoom in. That's the sub A, the first high, the starting point of a sequence, right? Zoom in the chart. That's the high. Now the sub B is the first low. That's not a low, that's the low. As soon as possible after the sub A, connecting the Contrarian Fibonacci. As you can see, we have different colors. Sub C went to the white color, so white goes to white. This is the projected sub D extension. The market didn't stop, so we are looking for the next, for the very first low. The sub D must be a low, and bam! Finally, we found the low. All right. So, as always, sub A goes to sub C, and the sub B, not changing the pivot points, sub B goes to sub D. Fibonacci retracement tool. We have a new Contrarian Fibonacci sequence. And as you can see again, everybody, the market broke our sub A, right? But just to see, right? So Euro JPY, it's another pair compared to Euro New Zealand that we don't have the confirmed C's, not from the monthly, not from the weekly, not from the daily, but the market is going our way. Agreed? Good job, everybody. Next, do you have any other pairs? Joyce is asking, what time frame is best for the use of the Contrarian Fibonacci? So, it's a great question. Everybody, the Contrarian Fibonacci follows the same rules as the original one, alright? What does this mean? The Contrarian Fibonacci is going to win 7 times out of 10 on the daily chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, alright? But the smaller the time frame, then it gets random, okay? So what time frame is the best to use the Contrarian Fibonacci? If we're talking about trading, because we can use the Contrarian to trade retracements, would be the higher time frames. All right? Okay, Joy, the daily chart would be the optimal 4-hour chart, maybe you must be very, very, very skilled if you want to trade retracement on the 1-hour chart. Suresh, listen to me, forget about gold. Okay, don't trade gold, forget about gold. You have 27 beautiful currency pairs. Forget about gold. If you want to make money stress-free, no big deal. Forget about crude oil. Yeah, all right. Everybody, Forex, it's easy. The Forex market, it's easy. You know? It's all about the monthly bands. It is going up and down. I mean, Joyce says, okay, thanks, boss. Any other currency pair? Before we finish for today, it's Friday. Let's do one more and then let's go relax. All right, everybody, I'm going to choose for you, all right? What do you think about Canada CHF? Canada CHF. GBP JPY, nice too. All right, let's go on GBP JPY. Even better, even better. GBP JPY, very good, excellent, thank you very much. Come on, Forex, it's Friday, right? It's Friday, come on. It's Friday, doesn't want to work. There you go. All right, everybody, so this is GBP JPY monthly chart first. All right, we have our Fibonacci up in here. This is the market wave. All right, everybody. Question, can we chart the Contrarian Fibonacci? Can we chart the Contrarian Fibonacci on the original on GBP JPY monthly chart? That's the A. That's the A. That's the B. That's the C. Can we chart the Contrarian Fibonacci? So can we trading both on original Fibs and the Contrarian Fibs? This is a question about strategy, and the answer is yes. You can trade both. Joyce says no, right? We don't have enough data. All right, let's go on the weekly chart. Weekly chart. GBP JPY weekly chart. That's our C. Let me try to trick you, everybody. Where should we start charting our Contrarian? From the first circle, from the second circle, or from the third circle? Where should we start? Everybody, you can trade the original Fibonacci only if you want. Talking about strategy, you can trade the original Fibonacci and the Contrarian if you want. Talking about strategy, it's up to you, it's your choice. And you can trade the original Fibonacci and the Contrarian Fibonacci and the Fibonacci of the confirmation if you want. Make sense? This is going to be your choice. I don't suggest you to trade all of them. It's going to be too much information. You're going to track you're going to lose track of data and patterns. All right, I would not suggest that you do all of those things. Sir, second, which point is going to lead you to the C? Which one is the C? And yes, Suresh, once you open Darknet Zero, send me an email, alright? Send me an email, because otherwise I cannot know if you open the account. Sam, first, very good, the first one. So this is the sub A, and that's the sub B. You know, can you see everybody? Our C is not confirmed, not on GBP JPY weekly chart. Let's go on the daily. This is the confirmation. Out, 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 out. This one. Similar story. If this is our C, this is the lowest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Where should we start our contrarian? From the first circle, second circle, third circle, or fourth circle? Where should we start our contrarian Fibonacci? Sure will do, send you the email. Alright, so on Monday morning, be ready. On Sunday night, I'm going to send you the direction of the currency pairs. Suresh, alright? Let me see if I have here, right? I'm not sure if I have here to show trading USD market wave hedge. Trading week. No, not here. Well, anyway, it's on the other PC, but you're going to receive an Excel with the currency pairs and the directions, you know, buy, sell, stay out, consolidations, and you're going to see the other traders. Joyce said first, Sam says first. Very good, excellent. So let's see how this one, right? And one last time, we're going to change colors. We're going to change colors, make it smaller, and this is going to be the sub A. Sub A. Now this is going to be a nice one for you to learn. And clone, we need edit label sub B. All right, and clone, we need the sub C, edit label sub C, sub A, sub B, sub C, and the last one, clone, edit label, and it's our sub D. All right. If this is the C, everybody, and I zoom in, which one is our sub A? Is the first circle our sub A? Or is the second circle our sub A? Where should I start charting the Contrarian Fibonacci? Yes, most of the guys are getting funded in the first month of trading on Darwin X0. Remember, it's not a lot of money, it's just 30,000 euros, alright? It's not a lot, but also the downside is 38 euros too, okay? But once you understand how Darwin X works, you know, as far, you know, if you ask me, it's the best it's the best starting point for beginner traders to learn. You know, trading it's excellent too, but trading is for advanced traders. You know, if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to burn the account on trading.com. Darwin X0, it's the best environment for you to learn and understand how risk works, and so on and so on. Second one, very good, says Joyce. Second one, of course, right? This is the high. This is the highest high. That's the sub A. The sub B is the first low as soon as possible after the sub A. Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to change edit levels. Contrarian. There you go. Sub C is this one. Whoa, which one is the sub C? So again, right? I'm not going to trick everybody. The market broke our. And now this was the sub C, then this was the sub C, right? And then violet goes to violet. Then our sub extension is down in here. So this would be the new contrarian Fibonacci sequence. Sub A goes to sub C. Sub B goes to sub D. And GBP JPY daily chart. And now we don't have the confirmed C. All right. So this week, everybody, we've seen more than 5 currency pairs that they don't have confirmed Cs on any time frame, but the market still went their way. All right. Make sense, everybody? I know I keep repeating this, but don't get too attached to just, oh, I'm going to wait for the confirmed C. Look at GBP JPY, it's going its own way, but it doesn't have a confirmed C. 50-50 still works. All right, everybody, it's Friday. Let's finish for today. See you back on Monday with another episode, with another Fibonacci. All right, have a great weekend, everybody. Until Monday, stay strong and relax as a boss. You need to relax as a boss too. You know, you just need to work hard, but you need to relax too. All right, everybody, relax as a boss. See you back on Monday. And this is the